Hi everyone, welcome back to Mike's Tech Tips with Radius Executive IT Solutions. Cybersecurity Month is still upon us, so we are continuing our discussion on the importance of diversifying your cybersecurity. With Pillar 4 of Radius Executive IT Solutions, 5 pillars of confident cybersecurity. Manage threat detection and response. We use Microsoft Office 365 Defender Advanced Threat Protection, or ATP, which integrates seamlessly with your existing Microsoft Office 365 services to better protect your data and support your staff's cybersecurity practices. ATP offers 4 categories of this support: protection against common exploits. ATP monitors the most likely areas for security threats, including email attachments, hyperlinks, and files shared on SharePoint, OneDrive, and Microsoft Teams. Informed responses. ATP offers threat tracking features that provide up-to-date intelligence and real-time reports on the latest identified threats. In combination with ATP's reporting features, your team can stay informed of how their organization's cybersecurity is performing, as well as the most prevalent cybercrime threats you may be facing. Simulated attacks. ATP offers an attack simulator to help you test your system and your staff's cybersecurity capabilities and identify areas for improvement. Automated cybersecurity. When a potential threat is identified, ATP can configure to run playbooks that follow best practices for responses, saving precious time and further mitigating the consequences of an attack. Thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned next week, where we break down the 5th and final pillar of our confident cybersecurity.